heritage. I have a feeling that Rome's going to be a really interesting city for elevators. No, it's not here. Vaim. Oh, here it comes. There it is. Oh, and of course it's got the older inner doors. Wow. Oh my God. Vaim. Interesting door handle. Oh, I see you pull it out like that. Ooh. Wow. I have a feeling I'm gonna find some really neat stuff in Rome. Quickly. Let's get a look at this. Vaim. My first time on a Vaim elevator. Up to 6. Look at these buttons. They kind of like, they get wider, like mushroom shaped, but square. Or rectangular. Ignore my crusty old fingers. Yeesh. Not much to see out the windows. Hi. Oh, that's a flickery light. I can actually see out that. Here we are. Wonder if you can see the motor. Let's find out. So look at this. Whoa, that just slammed shut if you're not holding it. Okay. Is that a motor there? Let's see. Oh, look at that. Interesting. These doors are way more easy to open and close than the ones in Madrid because they have big magnets on them there. Anyway. Can you see? Oh, look. What the heck? There is the motor room here. Bizarre, but it's in there. Very interesting. Anyway.